Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Nibash IGC Study Group's YouTube channel and a new video. Today we're going to be talking about safety signs and the variations. Safety signs basically are almost the same everywhere you go, especially in the occupational safety and health industry, wherever these rules apply. Let's dive right in. There are 5 standards that people have to follow, or employers have to follow whenever they use signage in the workplace. And signs are basically used by the employer to either guide people, tell people what to do, tell them what not to do, stop them from doing something they don't want them to do, or show them where things are. So basically, the employers use these signs to convey specific messages to the employees. And signs are important because sometimes you can say something with a sign that you cannot say with writing. For example, if you have somebody that is, that has a poor eyesight, cannot see well. If you have somebody that doesn't speak the written language, you have somebody, with other difficulties, or learning disabilities or something. So, or if you have somebody that doesn't know how to read and write at all, even if he is English, the signs are in English, or he is Arabic, the signs are in Arabic, he doesn't understand them. So basically, the usage of pictograms are very important, and its guidance is very important for the workers in the workplace. So let's start with what the categories are for the signs. The signs, basically, we have 5 categories, like we said. You have prohibition, mandatory, warning. You have for fire equipment, and you have the safe condition. We're going to talk about each of them in the next couple of minutes. So I have behind me here 4 signs. One says no bicycles, the other says no cell phone, no open flames, or no walking. So these are obviously prohibition signs, and as you see, the background is white, the borders are red, and the diagonal bar across the pictogram is also red. So circular shape, white background, red borders, and red diagonal line across the black pictogram. This is a prohibition sign. It tells people not to do something. Here it's saying no bicycles, no usage of phones, or no phones allowed beyond this point, no open flames, and no walking. Okay? I hope this is clear. Now we're going to go to the next category. Okay, the next category now we have is the mandatory. Mandatory, obligatory, compulsory, whatever you want to call it. I have an example here. It's saying hearing protection required. Means you are about to enter a noisy area in which the usage of hearing protection is mandatory, it's required. So if you go beyond this point, you have to wear them. It's very simple. Blue sign, circular shape, white pictogram, it means it's compulsory. Again, the shape is circular, the background is blue, and the pictogram, or the symbol inside of it, is white. That means it's mandatory, compulsory. It's necessary. It has to be done. Now to the next category. Okay, now the next category. This one here is a warning category. Basically, in the working places, you need warning signs. This sign here, it warns people about some specific hazards that are present. For example, the one behind me here, it tells people to be careful of the presence of electricity. If you open this door, there will be electricity. If you go beyond this point, there will be electricity. There's another one says, beware of forklifts. Another one says, careful, men working overhead. There are many, many signs that we can give examples of. Careful, wet floor, wet paint, whatever. So the shape of this sign is, as you see, is a triangle, black border, black borders, and yellow background with a black pictogram. So triangle, yellow background, black borders, and black pictogram. This tells us about the warning signs. Let's go to the next category. Okay, the fourth category basically talks about safe conditions. Safe conditions is very, very simple. We've all seen a sign about safe condition. It either guides us to a safe place, or it tells us about a safe place, or it tells us where we can find safe things. For example, I have here the fire assembly point. Maybe you have one at your place that says muster point. Maybe you have one that says emergency exit. Maybe you have one that says first aid placed here. Maybe you have one that says emergency doctor. Another one says clinic, a defibrillator, whatever have you. If it's a safe sign, if it's a sign that guides you to safety, that says escape route from here, whatever from here. If it's that, then it's a safe condition sign. So the conditions for safe signs, basically they are square or rectangular in shape, square or rectangular in shape, with green background and white symbols, writings, or pictograms. So square or rectangular, green background, white symbols, pictograms, or writings. Let's move to the next category. Okay, now we have reached the final category. The final category is very simple, complicated, easy, hard, difficult. It's up to you, really. But it's so clear. Red, fire, red, fire. So basically, it tells you about firefighting equipment, fire extinguishers, fire hose, fire hydrant. It shows you the location of the fire escape, the fire escape ladder, or I have many things behind me here. It guides you to all of these things. So the conditions that should be present in these signs are, as written here, red square or rectangular, white symbols or white pictograms. Very simple. Very, very simple. White symbols, red background, square or rectangular. Okay? Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. If you did, please feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe, send it to your friends. Don't send it to your friends. Do whatever you want. It's really up to you. But your continuous support by sharing and commenting is going to encourage me to do more and more videos. So please feel free to do whatever you want with this video. Download it, do whatever you want with it, share it, repost it. It's totally up to you. Feel free to check out the rest of my videos. I will post some of them right here now. The link will be in the description to other videos. They are very useful, very short. I hope you like them, and I hope you become a new subscriber. Join me on Facebook. The link to WhatsApp group is also available in the description. please give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe, do whatever you want. Ghareeb Hassan, and see you in the next video.